Hello friends, this is Venu. Now I am starting my Hive series. Which means I am explaining about A to Z about Hive, how to do it, and everything. Okay, and now I am starting my first video, which is Hive basics. That means how to create a data and how to load the data into Hive tables. Okay, then first of all, before start anything, either Hive or a pig or anything, first start Hadoop, then automatically we can process anything. Start all.sh to start every daemon. You can test it. JPS, almost name node, data node, everything is working fine. And simply enter Hive. I have already configured everything in my. That's why automatically it's moved to Hive shell, and in this Hive shell everything. Now I want to process. Basically Hive is also batch process like Hadoop. That's why it's take a lot of time to execute this command. Okay. Oh sorry, Hive. Now basically show databases. By default there is only one database. It's called default. It is default database. It is. Now I am creating a separate database for Hive series. That's why simply I am creating another database. Hive series. Oh sorry. Sorry. Okay. Now Hive series database is created. Okay. Now I want use okay, I will create a document. I hope it's useful for you, and basically it's a good idea. Okay, now it's automatically, if I create any table, automatically stored in this database, Hive series database. I don't know where where I am in a default database or Hive series database. To know where we are, simply we can use on the special command called this one, Hive set print current DB. That means automatically show this series. Now easily we can identify, oh, we are in Hive series database. Okay, now I want to create a database. Okay, then how to create a database? Simple. Table. Okay, if you can check it. There is no any tables. Okay, now I am creating a table. First of all, before create a table, we must know about data. What is the data and what is the schema? We must create a schema to store any data in Hive. So to create a schema, let example, I want to load this data. It is name and it is age and cell number. Okay. Sorry, excuse me. I want to store this data. Then how to create a schema to this table? Simple. Create table. What is this table name? As you wish, you can mention anything. Cell numbers, and create a schema. it is how to create a schema. It is name is string is data type, and age is int, and cell number, cell is a big int. Some of the newbies, they mention as int, but int is limited. It's not suitable for long applications, that means large numbers. For example, this is int can process 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 maximum it can allow to. It is up to limited to this number, but not more than. In case it's more than, but it is 2, but here it is 9, so it's more than this number. That's why we can switch to big int. Okay, create table name, it is a schema. It is separated by comma. Basically, this is everything. This field is separated by comma, this is separated by comma, this is separated by comma. So simply we are mentioning row format delimiter separated by comma. Okay, now you can execute this command. Yes, okay means it's created. Now okay, cell numbers table is created. Okay, now after create a table, I want to insert this data. I want to insert some data into this table. Then it is cell number, this is data. I will insert this data into, this is where is it is basically it is in my desktop. This is desktop, this is cell number. Okay, I want to load this data into, I want to load this cell number into this table. Then simply copy it and no, not here. This is the command, load data local in path. In case we are getting this data from HDFS, we are stripping this local keyboard, and now we are getting this data from local. So I am using this command, load data local in path, give this path and insert into, this is the table. Okay, table name is cell numbers. So directly I am inserting this one. Then automatically it processes this data. It's okay means it's running successfully. How to know this data is inserted or not? Simple. Now I can run any SQL command. Okay, first of all, before know about everything, we must check the schema. This is the command to check the schema. Okay, name is string and age is int, cell is big int. So schema is created properly. Now I want to check the data, already inserted data. So how to check it? Simple, run any SQL command. Simple, you can run this command. So it is the data, name and age and cell number, everything is showed in this database. That's why I got this data. Okay, so now data is inserted properly. Okay, but now I will explain advanced techniques. That means sorry, that means already data is created. Now I want to you can run any SQL query like select name cell from. Now MapReduce is running in the backend. That means Hive is run on the top of MapReduce. That's why this is map is completed, reduce is completed. So I can get only name and cell number. Okay. Now advanced techniques is sorry. Okay. Sorry. Now I want to create a table from existing table. I want to create and load the data from existing table. Then what should I do? Simple. Select sorry create table name and a new table name. It is desired table name, cell name with cell as select star from table select name cell. This is the command. If I run this command, automatically, first of all you can check any table, how many tables here, only cell numbers. Okay. Now if I run this one, what happen? Automatically this Hive can extract this data from existing table. Okay. I hope if you know SQL advanced queries, you can create like this. Okay. Now you can check the table, cell name with cell, new table is created. You can check it. Okay. In this table I have only these two, name and cell number, but existing table has everything, age and name and many more. Okay. Now I will create another table. Okay. The table name is one cell. Create table name. Schema is okay. See, this is not required. Others, the main reason is only one cell. I am creating only one cell. That's why it's easy. You can check it. Only one cell. Okay. Now I want to insert only cell numbers within this table. Okay. Then what should I do? Simple. Insert into table, insert into table name, select cell from. If I run this one, automatically I can get only this, that means this, wait. Okay. If you run this command, If you run this command, you can check it now. You can get only cell numbers. That means I am extracting the data from existing table. Okay, and in case, and I have already explained, copy from local and get the data from other table to this table, and finally one more, you can check the data. Oh, sorry, this is the command. Basically everything is stored here: Hive, Hadoop, work, and warehouse, and Hive series, cell, everything. Why it is stored here? Actually, I have configured in this configuration files. In this folder, I am mentioning here every data is stored here: Hive, Hadoop, work, warehouse, home, work, warehouse. Here everything, it is database. I have already created cell number, one cell, everything. If I created anything, automatically stored in this database. Okay, now I want to load some data from Hadoop to this database. This is cell numbers. Okay, for example, I have some data. I want to load, I will upload this data into Hadoop. For example, I want to wait in this scenario. For example, this is the table. Sorry. First of all, before process this data, then copy this data into Hadoop. Where is this? This is HDFS. Put okay. Okay. Sample data. This is in this database. Okay, I want to load this data into this table. Already it is created. I want to load this data into one table. Okay, then what should I do? Simple. I will create another table. It's a temp. Table name is temp. For example, this is the data. This is the table. I want to get this data, sample data. I want to insert this data into this table. Then what should I do? Load data. We don't use in local. Sample. What is this table name? Temp. Oh, sorry. Okay, now you can check here. Automatically you can get this data. Where is it? Hive, Hadoop, work, warehouse, Hadoop, temp, sample file. I got this data. That means if you run any query, automatically I can get it. Okay. Okay, so this is the process. I don't use load data local in path in case we are getting the data from local, but in this scenario we are remove this local. That's it. So in this video everything is covered. That means how this is from database. So this is, I hope everything is covered in this video, how to create a data and how to load this data. And also another advanced strategy is I will create a Hive table in Scoop. I will explain in my next series. This is the most common strategy to create and load this data into Hive. Okay, I hope everything. If you have any doubts, please comment below. If you like this video, please share through online. Okay, thank you very much.